Hi lovelies, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another video. In this video we will be looking at the 6 richest artists from the east part of Nigeria. Carry this in mind that this list do not include all the richest artists from the east part of Nigeria, but those that have been very consistent in making Igbo related music and promoting the cultural heritage of Igbo land. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share a comment in the comment section, and turn on post notification. So without wasting much of your time, we take you guys to the full video. Number 6 on the list is Zoro Swagback. Umu Obiligbo Chrismana, popularly known by his stage name Zoro, is a Nigerian indigenous rapper, musician. Zoro was born on March 20th, 1990 in Onitsha, Anambra State, an indigenous Igbo rapper to the core. In 2020, despite the COVID-19 outburst and even the protests in Nigeria, which Zoro was a frontliner with Flavour and others, the artist still struggled with his musical career and deliver good and quality songs, as well as renew some of his endorsement deals with brands like Hero and others, making him twice richer than he was in 2019 at $900,000.
But it's not enough of
Zoro, Steve, you send these pictures to you.
Okay.
You have my number, just say. I've seen you. Are you lying?
No, I'm not lying.
Number 5 on the list, guys, goes to Umu Obiligbo, the popular highlife singer from the eastern part of Nigeria, who has taken over the popular highlife music we used to know back then in the 90s. Ogboso and Akunwafo Obiligbo Jr., popularly known as Umu Obiligbo, are 2 brothers from the same parents. They were born and brought up in Anambra State, Nigeria. Their music career started back from their grandfather, the late Chief Kcee Obiligbo, who happens to be the popular Ekpili music star in the 90s. Far back then, General Yakubu Gowon, who was the head of state as at then, used to be their biggest fan. The twins came into the light again like their father after the release of their first global recognized single, Ije Awele, featuring the legendary Igbo singer Flavour Nabania, and ever since then gotten a lot of features with top stars like Larry Gaga, J1, Phyno, and lots of others to mention. In 2020, they dropped their first international album titled Signature, which has over 10 million digital streams across, paging their net worth at over $1 million, aside their cars, houses, and expensive accessories. Number 4 on the list, guys, is someone who has left the entertainment industry for quite a while now, but has returned fully with beautiful songs from ending part of 2019 till date. And he is no other person than Kcee Okonkwo, popularly known by his stage name Kcee, a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, stage performer, and a philanthropist. He was born on 18th of April 1979 in Ajegule, Lagos, Nigeria. Despite leaving the Nigerian music scene for a while to join his junior brother Imoni in his fleet of businesses, Kcee returned to the music scene in late 2020 with too many hot songs, not just alone but with another high-life singer known as Ayedon, whose return seems to be a lasting one, has ever since hold the East on standby with songs like Cultural Praises 1 and 2 and also other which he has been featured so far, taking his net worth from $4.5 million to $12.5 million. Next on the list is a certain artist that's always in the list of every individual in the eastern part of Nigeria, as he is known as a regular hit maker. Chibuzo Nelson Azubuike, born 9th of October 1986, popularly known by his stage name Phyno, is one voice heard each passing year in the east due to his nature of steady creativity of good songs despite the outbursts of COVID-19 and EndSARS protests in 2020. Phyno still kept his fans entertained with songs like Highway and For the Money, not talking about his feature with Flavour on Doings and others which took his net worth and streams as high as 4 billion naira.
Joe, where the name they enter from? You say, I got one down there. Let's make it money in there. Let's make it more. Let's go boozy. I want him. That's all in my psyche. That's all in my psyche.
You hardly hear this star, but definitely not in the club, as he owned the biggest club songs of all time. He is no other person than the Abule singer Okore Patrick Nnemeka, also known as Patoranking. This artist never seems to be leaving the industry soon, as each year he comes with hit after hit, moving the speed of his stream as high as Bitcoin each minute. In the second phase of 2020, Patoranking dropped an album called Kcee with great and hit songs like Abule, Mo Baby, and others, also following his renewal of his endorsement deal with Moet Africa, which he is one of their top leading ambassadors. In the early 2021 also, Patoranking became the leading brand ambassador for World Remit, which boosted his net worth to $12.5 million, excluding his cars, houses, and jewelries. Enjoy these few clips from Patoranking.
This man! This man!
When you talk about music from the East, be it gospel, highlife, or Afrobeat, you can never count out this artist. He became number one on this list due to his great contribution in the Nigerian music industry. This artist is not just a hit maker, but also has made lots of music stars like Zoro, Umu Obiligbo, Udumeje, PC Lapes, and others, too many to mention. He is Flavour of Africa, the Ijele of Igbo land. In his regular lifestyle, Flavour usually drop an album every 2 years, but must drop some hit singles each year. The multiple award-winning artist do not really bother himself a lot, as his good quality creativity in music speaks for him even more than any artist from the East. In 2020, he was involved in so many controversial
Almost break your waist.